Welcome to Hartford Technology. Today, we will highlight the top 5 reasons customers rent the ZC10L printer. We'll go over the printer highlights, show you how easy it is to use, and tell you where you can rent one. First, let's start with the highlights of the ZC10L printer. The ZC10L can produce large passes and badges, approximately 3.5 inches by 5.5 inches, making them easy to read from a distance. Enjoy full card designs without worrying about template sections. Now let's see how easy it is to use the ZC10L. Connect the printer to your computer or network. To insert the ribbon, open the top of the printer and carefully place your provided ribbon like this. Once the ribbon is loaded, you can gently close the top of the printer. Next, open the drawer in the front and load your approved badge stock like this. Now that your badge stock and ribbon have been inserted properly into the printer, go to your software program and send a print job to the ZC10L. And here's your finished badge. If you run into any issues, please visit us on our website or give us a call anytime, and we can have one of our experienced technicians walk you through troubleshooting. Interested in renting the ZC10L? Here's how. We offer a range of rental packages to suit your needs. Visit our website or call our phone number listed on the screen. Give us a call to talk to one of our experienced salespeople to learn more and get a free rental quote for the ZC10L today. We guarantee industry best pricing and quality. Remember, the ZC10L offers large, high-quality prints, easy setup, and seamless integration with design software. Thanks for watching our ZC10L printer overview. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.